Welcome to step 1. This is the blueprint. And inside of this step, we are going to cover how much it costs to make a website, what you will need to make a website, and we're also going to be covering the free files that I've put together for you to help you make your website. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, before we get started, I need to cover 2 quick disclaimers. The first one is, please don't skip any steps. Look, I've put together a lot of different shortcuts for you in this training, and some of them require other steps in order for them to work properly. So please complete all steps. The second one is I may receive a compensation if you purchase any products or services based on my recommendations. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get into how much this is going to cost. The first and most important thing when it comes to your website is your domain. On average, this is going to cost you about $20 a year with privacy protection. The second thing is your hosting. The recommended hosting package we are going to be using is $19.54 per month. Then there's your security. That's the SSL certificate. With the hosting package we're using, we are going to get the first year for free. After that, it will cost you $40 a year. Then the last thing we're going to be purchasing for our website is Elementor Pro. This is your page builder and what we are going to be using to design our website. And this will cost you $49 a year, which includes the license and premium support. When it comes to your total investment today, it will be under $90. At the time of me recording this, it was $80.44. Not that bad. Now, the first action step you're going to need to do is to download the Blitz challenge folder. And you can do so by clicking on the Download Now button on the step page below this video. And once you download it, you will need to extract the zip file. And if you're not sure how to do that, there are 2 links below this video in the page that covers both Windows and Mac. The next thing we're going to do is dig into what is inside the Blitz Challenge folder. The first thing is your app or website icon template, which is a Photoshop template for you to create your icon for your website. Next is the actual WordPress template that I put together for you, which includes the theme and all your free plugins that you're going to use already set up and ready to roll. But more on that later. You'll also find a business card template, a Facebook cover photo template, an Instagram template, the installer file which will help us install the BC Complete Files folder, a profile picture template, and a what you need Word document to help you get your mind around the content that you're going to be putting on your website. Now to cover the what you need checklist. The first thing is your brand name. We are going to be covering this in the next step. Along with your tagline, you will also need to have a regular logo, a retina logo, and your website icon. Contact information, if you're going to use them, your mission and vision statements, your brand values, any of your current social media links. And if you do not have any, we will be covering how to create and customize those platforms in a later training. And last but not least, your homepage content and content you need for any other pages. Congratulations, you have now completed this step. Any further training I think you may need that is done after the tutorial is finished will be found below this video in the step overview page. Any other training that is outside of this step or outside of the Blitz Challenge core training can be found inside of step 6, which is the update. I'll see you in the next step.